Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. I'm trying to extract this code into where is it? Okay, extract.py, but I created a document like directory instead of a file. So let me just fix my mistake. New file, and this is useless. I kind of like this, and I probably have more. So that's it. That's fine. I like to extract this into my login URL equals this, and let's do login URL to have a better thing. We've got these two, so put them here. Let's get out this. So let's load envs first. Here probably. Let's do these. And these are the constants, so they can go together. WebDriver Selenium, I don't know what happened here, so let's put this at the top, make it like look nice and everything. So this thing, should I do the thing? Sure. I kind of hate it, but sure. It doesn't work as I expected to. Okay, load config, and let's just do this, and let's just return. I need to return a config object, but this cannot easily happen. So let's do a dictionary. Null card, username, password, everything. So can I change the dictionary to, okay, whatever. I'm gonna deal with that later. So I like it on the fly object. Python. I don't actually like on the fly because there are problems. So it can be class itself. Class config, and I can put this here. So whenever anybody underline init, underline, whenever somebody does this, give me a self. This gets initialized, and we can do self dot this. So no return is also needed. Okay, this is very nicer. So config is a config, and sure. So now we're gonna do config dot login URL, put them down. So we're gonna go to a page. We're gonna find that was a login page, and now we're gonna log in. So it's a driver. I'm gonna keep it here. Go to the login page and log in. So def login. Should I do this? I'm kind of moving towards class, like everything's a class. So let's do RTA. Travels RTA extractor. And I like to write the RTA in large, so let's do RTA extractor like this. So we're gonna do this. We don't even need the config. We don't even need the config. And we're gonna have, this is not gonna be good. I don't know. So we're gonna have a self.driver is a Chrome thing. Then we have a define login as a self. So I had it, yeah, I know now. Now I know. So it's gonna be a self.driver. There's no config anymore, but there's a self.config. The self dot is for drivers and everything else. So we're gonna click and it's gonna log in. What else do we have? I actually could make these also loadable, but it doesn't matter. So it's gonna do kinda, let's just put it all there. Define. What should I call this one? Get travel history. No, it's fill form. Sure. I didn't want it to name this thing that, but now that you're suggesting it, it's fine. Okay, this thing is called what does it call? Transactions. No, what are we doing? Are you sure? Like, do you have it here? You weren't. You were just guessing. Damn. Okay, I need to. No, don't generate anything, please. Sometimes you're just messing with me. Okay. So fill a form, do these, and it's gonna like ask you to wait. Then should it ask for wait? I don't know. Then I have to call this thing. Probably I don't need to print anything. Define extract self. I know I have another function named extract, so we're gonna have problems really soon. Really? Let's get the rows. Let's actually print some statistics. Len of rows. So extract travel, and we have extract function, and this is a long one too. So extravel, it's called extract. Let's call it get travels. So we don't. Should I put it here? Like, is it fine like this? This thing doesn't require any information, does it? So we actually can call this one static method and return, come on, RTA extractor dot extract travel and rows HTML. Why is it called row? Oh, damn. Okay, because travels are this. So bring it here. This is this. And do we need anything else? This is a save function. So return this, and we can do define to data frame. Self is fine. Is self fine though? Kinda, I'm losing it. Like for now, we had a driver that we had to keep track of, but now we actually don't need to keep a state. So let's ignore the self and do travels. It's a list of a dictionary. So sure, I'm gonna move you two to the top. And you go here, looks good. To data frame. So do that, data frame. I don't want to do this, so return df. And everybody can save a data frame. Let's just save it. Save to CSV. Do this, bring date time down. We're good, we're golden. Travels goes here, get travels goes here. And this thing goes here, format the document. Okay, that's better. What else? So we have the RTA extractor, and we're not using it at all. So let's rename this thing to RTA extractor. I'm not sure about the thing, but that seems fine. So now let's do a main function. Import, no, from RTA extractor, import RTA extractor. Let's do RTA extractor equal RTA extractor something. And now I feel like I shouldn't put the env's order because a class doesn't need to get modified like that. So I can get rid of these three, put them here instead, and get rid of .env, put it here instead. So do this. Oh, also OS. Okay, interesting. So what else? I've got self for all of these, but now I need to include them. So username, password, null ID, and self dot, please fill everything for me. Username, come on, password, null ID. Thank you. So fill it here. I usually have to type something. Okay. Username, password, null ID. What else? So let's just change the order to make it easier for the eye to follow everything. So we have an RTA extractor. We initialized it. Now we have to do login. And after login, we have to do the fill form. RTA extractor dot fill the form. After the fill the form, I'm not sure if I have to like change it. Okay, this doesn't do anything. It has to be out in here. So fill the form. We're gonna do get travels probably. So RTA extractor, get travels. and it's gonna return travels equals this. And should I do it, make it to a data frame? So to data frame, to CSV, and what else? I don't even like the 2 CSV to be here, actually. It does that, that's enough. I want to do it in here. Okay, put it here. So this is the input /env. This is the init. I don't want to comment, but it's a cute project, so let's do it. It's called step 1, step 2. Coding C all the time. Wait for the user to finish. Step 3. Enjoy the data. And save it for later. So let's see if it actually works. To be able to test this, I'm gonna do ppnv run python main. Something is wrong. ppnv python main, and let me close this thing. Oh, okay. So something is wrong. Loading that environment could not be found in the path. Python is an N. Okay, oh my god. Okay, now you can see, continue watching because I logged in. Oh no! Okay, so that's the issue. I was trying not to rely on, but the thing is you have to make sure the page is loaded. So the issue comes from when Selenium wait for page load. If the page doesn't load fully, you're gonna end up having issues. So you either can check for the element to be there, but the JavaScript might not be there, or you can wait for the page to load fully. So how do we check this? It says implicitly wait. I don't like it. Explicitly wait. How does it do? WebDriver.wait until something happens. Using fluent wait. Wait timeout, pulling every something. I don't like this. Wait for the page to load. Wait until. No, I want it to fully load. Sure, let's just. I don't want to. It's explicit wait. Does it have anything in here? Waiting strategies. Implicitly wait. Selenium has a built-in way to automatically wait for elements called an implicit wait. So implicitly wait 2. What does it do? The default value is 0, means that if the element is not found, it immediately return an error. If the set. Okay, sure. So let's give it a good timeout, I guess. In here, when you do the driver, do the self.driver implicitly wait. Let's do 10 seconds. So the issue is when I run the project, I'm afraid that my username is like viewable and visible on the page. So I'm gonna pause it as soon as I see the logging page, or like the, yeah. Okay, we're good. So logged in, came here, selected that, but the null card is not there. Okay, maybe, oh my god, it's not even my issue. It's not even their issue. It's my issue. Null card. Self.null card is not there because it's has a different name. Let's just change the name to this. Damn. So it was all right all the time. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, we're clear, I guess. And coming here, it clicks that, fills that. Come on, you didn't fill that? Oh, what happened here? No, I expect it to actually work. So null ID is the third one, null ID is the third one. Message element not interactable. So the first time it worked, let me just remove the wait because it might take more. Like, let's increase it actually. Let's make it 60 seconds. So let's clear again, run this. Okay. It's gonna come here. It did this, but it's not able to find the card. Okay, first of all, it clicked here, but it didn't change this. So maybe it clicked early. Yeah, that happens. So in this case, it doesn't matter either if it's gonna fill this or not. I'm gonna fill it myself. It's 2 click away. Wow, such a motorcycle. Like, where should I click? So we have a couple of issues. Firstly, it didn't say do this for me. It's probably still waiting then. This is the first one. The second one is, yep, timed out. Message element not iteratable. Which one do you want it to focus on? So by name it's tag ID. Tag ID is not there. I actually don't need you. You can just not happen, like, but I kinda like you. Okay, let me do something. Let me be a little funnier and just for that sleep, just let it sleep like 5 seconds. Okay, also I kinda like to remove this, bring it here. Sure, now we have it. Also, we can remove this thing. Oh, wow. There is like a ton of code that I missed fixing. Anything else? Doesn't seem so. Kinda wanna capitalize these. Do I have a camel case? Nothing. Okay, it's fine for now. Let's do this thing. Travel history CSS. So travel history CSS. And the other one was inter tag number CSS. Inter tag CSS. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, comes here. This time it waits a bit. Oh, still no clicks. Oh, clicked, but it didn't change. Okay, it doesn't matter because this time I disabled it, or didn't I? Nope, I didn't. Okay, something is off. Last time it worked, this time it didn't. Why? By name, the name is tag ID, isn't it? This is selector. Oh, now that I clicked on it actually. Okay, so maybe I should find a better way for click on this. Class button. Let's do the CSS for this. Copy CSS selector. Enter tag number, travel history CSS. Which one is it? None of them? It's this one. Enter tag number. Okay. Should I run it again? It's gonna wait 5 seconds. It might be too much. But okay, it works. So now it says do the damn it. Car, I see no car. Verify. So now click next and 126 items. It's gonna find them, it's gonna write them. They're golden. Okay. In the next step, I'm gonna change this to an Streamlit application, but I cannot. The issue with an Streamlit application is you won't be able to fill it. You won't be able to fill the Recaptcha. I'm not sure what to do with the Recaptcha. Okay, before closing this, oh my god, I didn't even use the git. So let's do git init, and let's ignore the CSVs. Come on, open it up. So do star.csv, star.env, just get rid of these. Everything, okay, star.html. Do sample star. Okay, so this should work for, let's do alpha version, and let's come here to see what should I do with the Recaptcha. Recaptcha challenge. Pass to another user, I guess. Force Google Recaptcha challenge. Recaptcha, force Recaptcha. How Recaptcha works. Selenium Recaptcha. Let's see if there is actually a way. How to handle CAPTCHA in Selenium. If there is a better way, it's gonna be funny. What is a CAPTCHA? Handling CAPTCHA enabling web application in Selenium. Sure. By disabling the CAPTCHA in the testing environment. What? Sure. Adding a hook to click the CAPTCHA checkbox by adding a delay. What? For web CAPTCHA enabled could be an issue, especially as the step involving CAPTCHA can create a hindrance in a test scenario. Moreover, the idea of CAPTCHA itself does not align with automation. Let's say CAPTCHA handles something. Different ways. By adding a delay to the WebDriver and manually solve the CAPTCHA while testing. Yeah, well, that's what I did. Disable CAPTCHA in test environment. So disabling CAPTCHA, nothing. By clicking CAPTCHA, how to click the checkbox in Recaptcha during Selenium testing. This could be a good idea too. Like I could click on it to be able to get it. So it says there's an like iframe or something, then do this. It's gonna wait here. How to add delay and manually solve Recaptcha during a test. Okay. Can you pass a Recaptcha? Pass Recaptcha challenge. It's not pass. The word did not pass to someone else. Okay, I need a ChatGPT to help me understand what I want, I guess. So, damn. Let's do... I need to find a way to allow the user of my Python automation fill the Recaptcha using an external URL. Let's see what you have. I know there are services that mitigate this, but I don't want to go and be illegal. So capture the CAPTCHA site key from the data. Sure, that works. Generate external URL with site key. Really, that works? You can redirect the user to an external page or service to solve the CAPTCHA. Google provides the following endpoint for Recaptcha v2. To use the site's original URL along with the site key, you can instruct the user to manually solve it and return the CAPTCHA token. That's gonna be tough. So it says, put this here and driver find element by class name. Get attribute data key. Prompt user for CAPTCHA solution. Okay, let's just do Python Recaptcha solver. Like, I don't care now at this point. Okay, let's cut it here. I'm gonna record another video and go through this and see what happens.